Maak plek Barbie, daar's nou poppe vir Afrika. Die klassieke Barbie-pop is vir vele klein goed 'n moed in die speelgoedkas. Maar wat gedoen as jy nie 'n swart pop kry wat uniek is aan jou land se kultuur nie? Jy maak 'n plan, soos Tafik Okaya vertel.
I noticed that all the dolls that were there were white, and the way they were presented was not very child friendly. And for some reason, that was when it hit me that we actually didn't have black dolls in our stores.
Boonop vervaardig hy eg Nigeriese uitrustings om sy Afrika koninginne in aan te trek in kleurryke, dog tradisionele uitrustings.
We have, different hairstyles. We have different clothes, sort of hairstyle also, that we do for, these ones are for our special collection.
Met 'n oudtydse naaimasjien, wat natuurlik baie help vir al Nigerië se kragprobleme, verskaf hy reeds werk aan 15 mense.
The production in Nigeria is high, besides power, it will be a challenge to continually keep our prices down.
Tafik sê aanvanklike belegging was $100,000, maar dit werk reeds vrugte af. Hy kry reeds navrae uit Amerika en Europa. En natuurlik, die belangrikste, sy kliënte, klein dogtertjies, hou van poppe wat soos hulle lyk.
I like it because it's a good doll and it's black like me.